Filipino world title contender Charlie Suarez has spoke about his controversial loss via stoppage against WBO super featherweight world champion Emmanuel Navarrete. Jamaica Bayaka has the details.
Filipino boxer Charlie Suarez's camp is not yet over in appealing their controversial loss in the World Boxing Organization or WBO super featherweight title fight against title holder Emmanuel Navarrete in San Diego, California. The fight between the two ended in a technical decision after the doctor examined Navarrete's cut on his left eyebrow. The referee said it was from an accidental headbutt, which caused the fight to be stopped before reaching the 8th round, in which Navarrete could have escaped his WBO title. Many fans were disappointed with the decision that should have been a technical knockout win for Suarez, because according to the slow-mo replay released by the top-ranked Vice President of Operations, Carl Moretti, Navarrete's cut clearly came from a left hook by Suarez. In an interview with PTV Sports, Suarez shared what really happened and how Navarrete got his eyebrow cut.
Sa akin, dahil sa suntok ko talaga, at ito yung nagpapatunay, you know. So, yun po yung na nakatama sa kanya. And nagpasalamat ako dun sa suntok na yun kasi nag-iisa lang yun, hindi na naulit yun eh. So, yung outcome, yung result is hindi talaga natin hawak minsan, no? Minsan, nandyan na nga sa harap mo, hindi mo pa makita. Parang ganon. But, ang kagandahan dahil mayroon na tayong 24 hours, 24/7 na CCTV, di ba, or video, na nakita talaga replay. At may mga media na nililabas nila yung pangyayari. So, yun yung blessing sa akin, sa amin. Dahil doon, nakikita kung ano talagang tumama. Maliban doon, napipil ko din yung kamay ko dito ngayon. Pero hindi siya masakit. Parang meron siyang konti.
Suarez's camp is currently pending an appeal with the California State Athletic Commission, and the first hearing will be held on the 2nd of June. In case the appeal wins, the decision will be revoked from Navarrete's winning, depending on whether it is declared no contest or a win for Suarez. Suarez's longtime head coach, Delfin Bohols, was disappointed by the unacceptable decision in the first world title fight experience.
Sa totoo lang sir, nalungkot po ako nung actually nung tinigil po ng doktor yung laban kasi alam ko na talo kami sa score. Alam kong talo kasi kami doon sa rin nag-uusap kami, talo kami sa score. Pero siyempre na may mga tao na kumpi sa amin. Nakita talaga nila na hindi talaga hidbat yung nangyayari. Suntok talaga.
Despite the sadness of the loss, Suarez thanked all his fans who continued supporting him.
Napapasalamat ako sa ating Panginoon Diyos, no? Na nasa langit dahil walang injury nga din. At saka nagpapasalamat ako kasi yung mukha ko lang ang malungkot. Hindi yung puso. Kasi overwhelmed yung puso eh. Dahil sa mga naririnig, nababasa, na mga balita. Ang kagandahan kasi doon na even na hindi tayo nanalo, pinalat, pero ang mismo mga fans, mga tao, iba-ibang tao, hindi lang Pilipino, buong mundo, sila na ang nagsasalita para sa akin. Ang gagawin ko lang is to be silent. You know, to be silent in the media. Walang sinabi, pero malungkot.
While waiting for a decision from the California Boxing Commission, Suarez's camp is targeting a rematch against Navarrete to finish their delayed fight and to prove who is the true champion of the WBO Super Featherweight division. Jamaica Bayaka from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.